Yeah. How was
Yeah.
your day? How are you feeling today?
Yeah, it was fine. It was fine. You know, I'm just college student, so online classes and just some practicing.
Oh,
So,
great.
how was your? What is the time now in yours?
It's the early morning, 7 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, yeah. Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, thank you. And as
Yeah,
for
yeah.
you, this is a night, right? Maybe
Yeah, it's
nine,
night. It's
nine,
night.
9 or 11 p.m., right?
So actually, I just called for this meeting because I have some doubt regarding this project. I mean, I'm really new here. I just joined, so I have you just send that all the documents in the Google document links, and I followed that. I set up my PyCharm environment. I downloaded the GitHub file, and I set up the PostgreSQL also. And the one thing I was just struggling to understand about the Twilio SIP and the Google API. Apart from Google API, what is main troubling is the Twilio SIP registration and that stuff. So, and another thing which was there was whenever, can I show my PyCharm screen? You can.
Yeah, sure. Share your screen and let's
Yeah.
deep dive to your environment issue.
Can I see it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very nice. Wood and this how to say it, not lake, river, right? River.
Yeah.
And mountains.
Oh, PyCharm is open. So this is the project, the PassNet main. This is the project, right?
Yeah.
So I have said after watching your some videos in YouTube, you have given the YouTube links. So I have made the configurations. Okay. So first of all, when I when I tried to set the interpreter from edit configuration, it took the interpreter from PassNet. I mean, it took the interpreter from this project. Okay, so somehow got the python.exe file and use it. Okay, and then the requirement.txt, whatever the requirements were installed. Okay,
yeah,
and then cool. I tried to then I tried to run the main.py file. Yeah, so when I try to run, the thing is, this thing is happening. It is showing an error.
JSON credential. Yeah.
I just, when I trace back the error to the os.py, okay, and when I end here, it actually raising an exception which is actually in the code. So I have one thing PostgreSQL, so I couldn't understand how can I resolve the error or how can I integrate the PostgreSQL.
First of all, you need to add to your local variables path to your JSON credential file. And if you open our file with the setting up environment, one of the pointer in this file, could you open this file? You will see this, how to get this JSON credential file. There is an article to the Stack Overflow.
Okay, yeah. I can find it. So that was probably this one. So we're talking about this one, right?
Yeah. We're talking about this one. You will get credentials, and after you get your credentials file, actually this is like how to programmatically access to your Google infrastructure. And you will put this file on your local machine in some place, and in the local variable you should to set this JSON path, this path where this file located.
I mean you said local variable. I mean
variables.
To be clarified. Yes. I mean you are meaning this, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So and after the variable, I should edit the path. And I should edit the path and add a new JSON path variable, right?
Yeah, new variable. You should to create here new variable.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And after that, I believe that your instance started work.
So the thing is missing. As far as I understand that the thing is missing is that JSON API and the Google credential, right? I have done the PyCharm right. Okay, just I need to use the JSON API.
Yeah. And thank you for this call. Probably we will need to add this to put some details in the setting up file about local variables, that to say that we need to set these local variables, and there are a lot. There are Twilio variables you need to set.
Yes,
and all other things. Let me add to the file a little bit later. Set up. Add about local variable, about local parts. Okay, thank you for your question and how you struggle with all this and how you go through all these difficulties.
It's really quite fun actually. It's quite fun because when I stumble upon some problem, then we have to fix it, and I will learn something. That's also
we will try to make our documents and all helpful material.
I used to watch the YouTube videos that if I struck some here, then I will try to Google search where can I find the solution. Like the PostgreSQL problem, I found the solution.
Great.
So one other thing I was trying to show you was the PG. So yes, PGadmin4. Wait a second, it will load. Just
cool.
Thank you. And I saw one of your video in YouTube playlist, and I saw you just made that go and do server. So I didn't know what to do, how to proceed further. That's one of the main reason I did this call. I can seek guide from you.
Oh, great. And your question, how to make tables?
How to use?
How to use? If you open our Python server, you will see, if you open the PSharm, you will see there is some functionality related to the Postgre. One of them is which prepared Kevin in AppCheck, gspread to PostgreSQL module.
Which file should I open?
Open the folder, pref backup and gspread to Postgres. You can a little bit upper. No, this is task scheduler. Sorry. As for backup, you will see that we put in information. And here you can open, for example, Google Sheets to PostgreSQL.
Okay.
And this is all this magic related to the database. In general, in short, right now, before some time, we used Google Spreadsheet as our data store. And after that, we made a decision to move to the PostgreSQL. And
for a large sustainable project, you should have a good database.
And right now everything is good, and we are going to use our database instead of Google Spreadsheet. Google Spreadsheet will be only as a backup file system.
And I am not familiar with PostgreSQL, but I wanted to learn it. Thanks to you, I got that opportunity. And
feel free to learn all this stuff related to the database. And actually, there are two ways how to use database. One of them, object related model, when you will operate it with the Python classes, and with the classes and object of the classes. And another, this is a more straightforward, when you have a query, like select asterisks from table and you use direct query. Both ways works well, but I'm sure that for the learning purposes, you will able to catch everything which we use in project. And probably when you will finish your task, I will give you task accordingly the database, because we have 3 tasks right now to migration from Google Spreadsheet to the database, and you will be able to work with database as well.
Thank you. And so that's all about my databases question. Thank you for that. And I'm not familiar with the Twilio account. Okay, I mean, I have created a Python program. I just told you on LinkedIn that which used Twilio text messages, but it was not my account actually. And I just wrote the Python code. Just import Twilio as client, and just it was more over like 10 or 15 lines of code. I just wrote that code only, and I am not over how the Twilio interface, and I didn't create a number. But I just read the documentation about this one. Okay, to why the SIP is required.
SIP, yes, Softaphone, yeah.
Why SIP was required for us, for the volunteers in India, for the overseas call. I mean, to call in USA. So I just thought it would be helpful if I do this along with you. I mean, if you help me along with doing the step, if you can.
Yeah, sure.
I just created my account. So this is the first screen you can see. I just created one. So in the documentation, in the blog, it said to go to the programmable voice. I couldn't find that. I think it is.
Oh, I will show you. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Could you show Twilio? Twilio console?
Yeah.
Twilio console. Yeah, and here, could you?
Can you please briefly explain the purpose of the Twilio? I mean, how it will work? I mean, I don't know actually.
Yeah, actually, the Twilio, this is like our product. Our main product is for the people who 55 plus, and we communicate with them through the phone. And Twilio provide us all this phone system magic. In other words, to make outgoing, incoming call to the mobile number. In the future, probably, if we will have a lot of volunteers, we will create our own Twilio service. Right now, we get it as from the box.
I'm glad to help you there if I can.
It's interactive voice recognition system, and right now we use this as a service that don't stop on our product and that don't stuck on this difficulties.
So for the IVR project, you require Twilio to make calls for that IVR. Okay, I got that. But why do you need SIP? I mean, I don't get that.
SIP, it's very easy. If you try to buy number right now, Twilio does not support India. But our server works with the United States number, and for these purposes, you have to buy this number. And right now, you have a free $15, and if you will from India buy
a US number, right?
Yeah, and this will cost you a lot of money in terms of using, and for the development purposes, your trial account will be cleared very, very, very fast. It's the reason why we want to decrease your expenses, your free expenses, because you got this $15, and we use a SIP protocol. This SIP protocol, actually, this is like a Skype, and you will able, when you install to your phone number, you will able to get calls from the United States to your phone number and make a call from your phone number to the United States, and it will cost you very tiny cents per minute. And for the development purpose, it's very nice. In other words, you will able to work with this trial account.
So
I don't know, 1 or 2 years.
That 15.50 amount. That cents you're talking about.
Yeah. Very, very, very small amount.
Yeah.
And $15 will be more than enough to work 1 or 2 years for free in the system and to develop. And it's the reason why we started work with this SIP and to make sure that this works. And right now, actually, there is a account. Could you give me access? I tried to I tried to help you with this SIP number to get in this SIP number.
Yeah. So what can I do?
Maybe if you open the options of the Zoom, in the bottom of the, and there is a, oh, just a second, request. Can you approve?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for your help. Thank you.
Yeah, and I'm trying to view all accounts. Actually, my view a little bit different.
Yeah, it should be, I think.
Yeah.
Actually, it is the I just created an account because I didn't know about that, so I didn't thought of basically again.
Yeah. As for article, this article talk about these subdomains.
Yeah, I read it.
And here we able to create new subdomains, and you name it, for example, I don't know, Subhayan. Is it correct?
Yeah, it is correct.
So yeah, and this will be your subdomain, and you can use credential.
I have downloaded the Android application so that it will be help easy. Swiper application that was written on that blog to download an Android application, and here to enter with username and password after finishing all the steps here.
Yeah, and the idea is when you finish all these subdomains identification on the phone, you will use your credentials, and like this. Just a second. Oh, you did it, right?
No, I haven't. Yeah. No. Sorry.
Oh, it's automatically.
It is Microsoft Edge's autofilling. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
I didn't do it.
Okay.
It is just the password and the email ID is putting it on Microsoft Edge because I saved that password in the browser. Actually, it is just the login in Twilio account. I didn't do that.
Okay. And just a second. Add the name. Great. Are you okay?
Yeah. Fine,
let's make.
Did the password? Yeah.
Something. Could you enter your password that I don't see this password and only you know this?
Yeah. Okay, so.
And that for guys who will watch your video, they don't use your password. Okay. And
just once.
Okay.
Yeah, I did it.
And friendly name will be, I don't know, volunteer.
Anyone.
Yeah. That. Okay. We did.
So I just created a subdomain, right?
Yeah, you successfully create credential list, and right now we're ready to create this subdomain. Please valid.
I think the domain is empty.
Oh, you mean?
No, the little bit up.
Yeah. I got you. Okay, maybe this. Oh, yeah. Cool. Right now you have your subdomain and you have a credentials. You can put this subdomain as a host on your Zoiper. When you install mobile application Zoiper to your phone, you will use this as your host.
Username.
And no. Username will be your credentials, which we create, and your credentials will be 101. And just a second, I will show you. Okay. Here, you every time this under the voice, you will see this subdomain, subdomains, and your credential list. And here
voice manage credential list. Okay.
Yeah, and here you will see your credentials. Your username will be 101, and password which you created. Yeah. And one more thing which will helpful. And
it is asking for a host name.
Yeah, or this host name. I'm not recommended to use direct host name like siptwiller.com. I would recommend to use close of your region. And just a second, I'm trying to find. There is a version. Just a second. Numbers page localized. Here, this article about this, what they mean. In other words, we need to get. I tried to find this. Registered maps. Okay. In other words, you will have a host as some region of the world. For example, it will be from the.
I saw that in one of your YouTube link that.
Yeah, you remember this when I show this list of the articles. It will look like this.
There are a list of servers, and you choose one of them, so that there is different domain name. Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, and you can get, I don't know, close to your place. For the India, probably this will be, I don't know, Asia or maybe Europe, whatever.
I mean, I will choose the nearest server. And then I get the domain name, and then I will use that host name as in the Android app.
Yeah, and after that, you will able to use your phone number through the SIP, and you will
I can use my Indian phone number to call. Please elaborate it.
Oh, no. You will use your American phone number.
I mean, a two-wheeler phone number.
Yeah, two-wheeler phone number. And of course, when you will buy your American phone number here, here, phone numbers, active numbers. I will show you. Second, we can buy the new two-wheeler number. If you will use your India phone number, it will cost you a lot. But if you will buy a US number, it will cost you you see, $1 per month. In other words, you will able to work 1 year in the future without any expenses from your side.
And should be better. You can buy anything. It's actually so you can buy it for me.
Okay, let's use, I don't know, probably New York. I like Hartford, Colorado Springs, whatever which interesting. You can check some nice number, you know.
It's fine. Choose anything.
It's fine. Okay. Okay, let's use this Hartford from New York. We buy it. Okay. And you able to work through the two-wheeler as SMS, MMS, voice. Okay. And right now you have your two-wheeler phone number. And let's jump to SIP. And let's here voice, manage, SIP domains. Actually, we will be ready to assign a phone number for this. Numbers page. Okay, we have. Oh, if we wanna use SIP registration. SIP registration. Okay. And we will use your credential list. And everything is ready. From only one thing, you should to configure your phone number. And you should to assign it to Twilio server. Oh, Python server.
Okay. So then what is the, the host name, which should be specific to my region? How can I set that?
Just a second. It's you are using new interface of the Twilio, and I'm not sure that I see how to just reset this points. Oops. Localized. Second. Networking info. Maybe this will help. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I would recommend to use some. Just a second, where is it? I would recommend to use some American, because we bought a phone number in America. It will be nice to use some America in close to the New York, Virginia, London, Frankfurt, Oregon, Virginia, Oregon. Okay, let's use probably Oregon. Oh, this is a IP addresses. If you will want to use as IP addresses, just a second. And for the North America Oregon, you can use this one. Okay. And
so
after
I
that,
can input that domain name in my
as a
Android,
host,
right?
as a host, yeah.
Yeah. Just wait a second.
Mm-hmm. And you can use application on your laptop, not only on your phone mobile. On your laptop, there are some. And Zoiper.
It is asking me my authentication username and outbound proxy, and there is an option of skip. Should I skip that?
Yeah, let's keep this.
So server security certificate error for more information. I'll proceed anyway. It is testing for SIP, TLS, IAX, UDP, something like that.
It's declined, right? Oh,
IAX, UDP not found actually. It's showing. It is account setup in configuration.
And you put username and password, right?
Yeah, I put my username and password.
Let's
username
try it.
101 and password.
Yeah, let's try it again. Oh, I see you. Zoiper. And
Yeah,
here,
I think.
Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah, it is now open. Actually, no one is on a speed dial yet, so I can make a call. It's actually showing this.
Oh, in other words, it works, right?
Okay, yeah.
Cool. Congratulations. Okay, right now you have your American phone number, and next step will be finish setting up environment Python server, and you will able to communicate through your Python server with your American number, and you will able to make a outgoing call and to get the incoming call. And after that, you will start work on magic of this phone system and to make it real some functionality. Congratulations, good progress.
Thank you. So I just have left. I just have to do now the Google API and the JSON API, and I will just add it to path.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Follow for these PyCharm instructions, and you will see this some errors.
Okay.
And in general, you have to put about 10 or 12 local variables to your local instance, and some of them about Twilio account, some of them about Google credentials,
Okay.
JSON file.
10 or 12 path. I mean, the requirements I have just installed. Should I put their path? I mean, that won't be necessary, right? I mean, I just got that I have to put the JSON path and Twilio also, because I will have to use Twilio in Python, and other path variables. Where can I get it from?
Could you open PyCharm?
Yeah.
And let's open the Flask application. And maybe Core.
This one?
Yeah, I will Core. Open this and a little bit control.
Something showing error about Flask package.
Just a second. Let me jump to my station. Okay, Zoom meeting controls. Oh no, not this one. Okay. In short, you will find in the code. I'm not sure that I remember. Oh, here you see, for example, account os.environment Twilio account seed. Yeah. It means that this row is from a local variable, and all place where we will use same construction.
So I will use that to use the account SID as a variable.
Exactly. Yeah, and every time you will see the place of the code, and you hit to this place of the code, and you will see the context, what you need to set in your local variables. Did you got idea?
Yeah.
For example, here you can open right now your error log with JSON path. Could you open,
this one?
please? No. A little bit at the bottom of the page.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, and
so that
here
is from os.py. Yeah, here. This is from here.
Yeah, and here if you scroll up a little bit, you see in your IVR log, could you hit this line 8? No.
Line number.
Error log in the bottom of your page. Yeah, and could you zoom it out? That could you? Oh yeah, here you see IVR flow line 8. Yeah. If you hit the link, could you hit this link on in your error log?
This one?
No, in the error log at the bottom of the page. Could you? Yeah. Could you hit this link?
If I hit that, then it is opening ivrflow.py.
Oh, and it's strange.
It is showing the line number 8 Flask app.
IVR core. Okay, let's hit the link. Let's this init .py line 2.
Yeah.
Oh, no. And could you check your error log to the scroll up when you will find the actually exact road which caused this problem? I mean, in your error log at the bottom of the page, could you scroll up? Scroll up? No. Scroll in your error log. Scroll up. No. I mean, maybe scroll down in the. Yeah. One more. Yeah. Could you hit this main pie? Oh, I got it. In other words, we need to hit the link in the error log, last link from our file.
Which one?
Yeah, here, scroll down, and right now hit the settings, line 3. Yeah, and here at the file, here's the file which you have to set the environment. You see, you have to put here JSON path. It's in your local environment. And after that, you have to set main number, optional number, PostgreSQL path, and everything should be in your local variables. As for main number and optional number, use the same number which you registered right now, your American
the US number. Yes.
Yeah, and what else?
And for the SQL path, can you say that again?
Yeah, it's what you will use on your local and which you set before, and my API key, my CSC ID, this will be from your Google credentials.
Yeah.
And you will should to put this from, yeah. My point that every time you will, you can find the row which cause this local variable problem, and you will see what the variable you should set. And
yeah, so for now I have to set the Google API key, Google CSID, JSON path, and main number, optional number. Yeah, and PostgreSQL path.
Yeah.
I mean, can I ask a question? What is this?
Sure. Oh, this is a list of number. It's using for some purposes, internal purposes. I forgot.
Okay.
For some functionality. Actually, this is a list of the words related to the, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will be first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. I forgot where this used. Yeah.
So for now, I have to set the environment path, and there is a task of making a Python project using the Twilio number to predefined voice message, hello something, it will say. So I'll do that in a different project, right?
Yeah. At the end, you will able to have a call to your Python server, and your Python server, for example, will answer to you, hello user, this is a BuzzNet, and this will be a success in terms of setting up environment.
Okay, so hold on. So I will make it that sorry, how can I put this that way? So I will have to make a file code that will call. I mean, if I call that number, then it will